My name is Malik Herring, and this is my GER project. First slide is how has social media changed high school recruiting? I got pictures like text message. Twitter is like the main resource, and a coach saying they got people that watch people social media accounts. Top schools, a few pictures of people showing like their top schools, who they're thinking about, who they're liking the most. Committed to a school, people edit, people get these pictures edited. Some just have pictures posted on the internet on their social media accounts saying like they're committed to this school and so and so. In-home visits, this relates to technology because coaches come, they take pictures with their family and post it on the internet to show like reporters who came and visited them, who came to their house, high school. I say this relate to technology because pretty much the same thing as in home visit. People take pictures and post them on the social media so they let reporters know who came and visit them at their school. College visits. I say this relate to technology because people post these on their social media accounts and but pretty much the same thing as in home high school visits, basically. That's it. Future research question. Will social media stop being the main resource for recruiting? Is really the main question I wanted to ask.